Morning everybody, welcome back to Dunks Money here on YouTube. If you're new to the channel here, I'll explain quickly what I do. I post videos on money topics and financial matters, hoping to help you guys that follow me on here and any new folk that are watching these videos. So please tune in. Today I'm going to talk about a subject which I have been asked quite a few times about from folk that I know, which is how do I know if I can afford to invest? To a lot of people, investing might seem like a thing that's quite an expensive thing or something you'd have a lot of money to do. But in this short video, I'm going to explain to you how you, as a private individual, can know if you can afford to invest your money. So the first thing I would say you need to know before you start any sort of investing, I mean investing on a larger scale, is make sure that you have an emergency rainy day fund first. Now, personally, I always invest as opposed to save money, but saving money does have its uses. So for example, I would save to make sure that you have a rainy day fund first. Now by a rainy day fund, what I mean is, if you look at the current coronavirus epidemic, it's really highlighting that a lot of folk haven't got any savings. They're being laid off and they have no money to fall back on. So I would make sure you've got a rainy day fund, a savings account, with maybe, I would put in myself 3 months worth of salary or wages, what you would need to live off for 3 months. Make sure you have that saved first. And for this, I'm talking about larger investments, not just money up type investments, but larger investments. Make sure you have that 3 months worth of wages saved as your emergency pot. So now that you have 3 months wages saved up as an emergency fund, then in my opinion, I don't see a reason for continuing to save. What I would do is any excess money that you have left over, use it to invest. Now, don't be put off by investing. Investing is always thought of being something that maybe your grandparents did. They bought stocks and shares back in the 60s. Now they're doing really well off it. What I would suggest is that investing is available to anybody who wants to do it. We now have all these brilliant money apps. I'll create a video describing money apps in more detail. But now we've got these great money apps that round up your money, invest on your behalf. They're fantastic. Great way to start investing. You can invest in anything you want. Property, for example, would be, in my opinion, a large scale investment. There's a lot more work involved in property than there is in a money app. You could be investing in the stock market through your own, through a broker, an online broker say, and buying your own individual stocks and shares. You can invest in wine, fine art, antique books. The world of investing is huge, but you need to pick the thing that you enjoy and really hone in on that. But in a nutshell, as long as you have an emergency fund saved up, that is great. You can start investing. But even if you haven't got your emergency day fund saved up, you can still start the money up investing. But I'm talking more for the large scale, so you're wanting to buy a property or a second property. Just make sure you've got that safety net there of savings that can get you through a hard time. And thereafter, any extra money you have, invest it. Invest in anything you want to. Just make sure you check it first, make sure it's legitimate. But yeah, get investing. Investing is there for everyone, not just the rich elite, so enjoy. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed that short little video. Feel free to subscribe to the channel if you'd like. It means that you'll get notified of any new videos that I put up. I'll be putting up some more videos over the coming weeks. And whilst I've got you here, if I can ask, in my 2 last videos I think it was, I've put in that background music. You let me know if that helps at all or if it's a distraction. I'm undecided, but cheers for watching. I'm Dunk, and I love money.